Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
脸
First, let's learn the pronunciation.
脸 了一俺脸脸脸蛋脸蛋，这是我的脸蛋，这是我的脸蛋。洗脸，洗脸，我每天都洗脸，我每天都洗脸。笑脸，笑脸，请给自己一个笑脸，请给自己一个笑脸。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. Pay attention to the proportion of the left and right parts of this character. The part on the left is the character for moon, which indicates it is related to body parts. This character did not exist at first. It was created by ancient Chinese people later, born around 220 to 420 AD. Its original meaning was the face on the head. In China, it has also been extended to symbolize personal morality, reputation, and prestige. Watch carefully. Write the part next to it a little narrower. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.